beach or mountain?
Beach.
What would your last meal be?
Penne alla vodka.
Oh, man. Favorite pump-up song?
Oh, Pink Pony Club by Chapel Roan.
Okay. Favorite TV show or movie?
Ted Lasso.
Good call. Shorts or pants?
Shorts.
Favorite soccer memory?
Winning nationals at U.S. Club Soccer with my Riverhounds team.
Look at you. Board games or video games?
Board games.
Stay in or go out?
Stay in.
What's your go-to snack?
Popcorn.
What's a superpower that you'd like to have?
Be able to teleport.
Ooh, favorite childhood book?
Percy Jackson and the Olympians.
Last one, cats or dogs?
Dogs.
Well done, well done.